All right, here is the speed run of This Case is a Nightmare, Excel Esports. Hopefully this one will be a fast one. See how it goes. Level 1, we're going to just go ahead and do manual. I could do a formula for level 1, but I cannot think of a way to make it faster than manual. So we're just here to get the points as fast as we can. 9 plus 7 is 16. 4, 7. All right, I passed elementary school. Now this one is a substitute. So just, take that, substitute for nothing. This one is the Arabic function, right? Thanks to the hint there, in case you didn't know it. This one here requires me to make a little lookup key here. So it's this and the slash and the color. It's not lined up. So I do that, then I'll just sort this so that the oldest is on top, right? Because it says to find the oldest date for each combo. So now X look up this on here, returning on here. This stuff has got to stay locked with F4. And then if I do this, that should be good. This 71 does not belong there. That's 71 down there. So I get rid of that to save myself some trouble. These have all got to get pasted values. All right, now on level 5 here, I need to sum these up, right? But I gotta fix the stuff first, right? So unit sol fixed is here. I'm going to bring that into my auto filter like this. So now if it is a number or a string, right, those are on top, just multiply by 1, and either way that's going to give me what I want for that. Control down so I don't have to look for it twice. This, concatenate, die pips. This, die pips is, a lambda that turns dice into numbers. And then this, I got to go down until it messes up, in which case I switch to the Arabic function for the Roman numerals. Right, that goes to the bottom. Now I'm ready to do my group by. I think it's a little faster to do a pivot table than a formula. So combo, unit sold fixed. Now I'm ready to use there's no more crazy merges. So I can use my thing now, my tabs. I just do that, look up. That should be good for level 5. Now we're on this giant map here, right? So I need, what equals X to call of this, Control Shift End to get the whole thing. There's this, right? So transpose these to get the distances, right? And we start here. Now we do arrow move is the lambda from here to here. Do all these arrow moves. I need the symbol and I need to know if we are done or not. So now I'm going to look up this on the symbol table with, nothing if there's nothing. And then here, if this is nothing, then we're not done. Otherwise, we are done. Copy those down. And then the answer is XLOOKUP 1, 1 for done on the turn number. And that should be all the answers for level 6. All right. And then level 7, the ghosts are going to come to us. So we just want the distance, right? So this, I'm going to use my distance, my neighbors list. It's not actually a lambda. It could be a list, should be a lambda, but it's actually a a user-defined function for now. I'm going to make it into a lambda someday. All right, so equals this. This I'm not going to mess with, right? It has to be a neighbor, right? So neighbors list. This is going to put the neighbors in order from farthest to closest, which is what I want. Let's go out to 7, which I believe will be enough. And then let me make sure we got this copied down sufficiently. Wherever this stops, we just got to keep going. And this should find the closest alien or ghost, right? By looking up done on the addresses. It's going to take about a second because it's going to do all these lookups. Where, because this void sheet is very big, so it's got to do a lot of lookups, and most of the lookups will be missing. So it looks up through everything, but is just finishing up right now. And we will check our answers. Hopefully we have 1,000 points at this point, which we do. Which game level had the largest value? So the biggest of that, returning on that. And then same thing, the biggest of the level 3 answers, returning on the level 3 game numbers. Then I got to add up all the Roman numerals, right? So the Roman numerals appear to be starting here. So just Control Shift down, 919712 from the bar, 919712. Total of everything, right? It's just the sum of the fixed version. And then how many times was the alien first? Well, let's see. Gonna make this now a bonus 5 sheet. Which is gonna take a second. A little slow because all the stuff here. B5. So now instead of telling me the address, I just want you to tell me the symbols, right? Starting with whichever symbol comes first. Turn on the what if table. This is the part where it's going to calculate. So it's going to take, 5 seconds, 10 seconds maybe to calculate. I would say, yeah, about 10 seconds. So now I just need the leftmost of these, and that is whichever one it found first. Just need to find an alien to paste in. Now XLOOKUP, or no, not XLOOKUP. COUNTIF, in this range, it is an alien. And we have 8. Stop clock there. Still checking to see if 8 is right. I think 8 is right. I don't know why it wants to calculate everything, but it did. It checked it. All right, 8 minutes, 8 seconds for the answer to the last one is 8. Thank you for watching. Bye.